Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Today I am here with a very simple and quick recipe. It is the steamed rice cake. It can be prepared in a variety of ways, but today I will be presenting the simplest and the quickest one. So let's get started. For making the rice cakes, we will be requiring paper cups like this. We have to make hole at the bottom of these cups. I am using a toothpick to make these holes. Our cups are ready. Now in a bowl, take 1½ cup of rice flour. You can take any rice flour, either the store-bought ones or you can freshly prepare it. Add a pinch of salt and mix in it. If you want a video on how to make rice flour at home, mention it in the comment box. Now add very little water to it and mix nicely. This is a very important step. We don't need a batter like other cakes. And the water should be added very little by little. We will have to keep adding water until it forms lump like this. The lump should not break when we place it down, but as we press it with our hands, it should break. Let me show it to you once again. Make a lump like this. I'm placing it down and it is not breaking. But as I press it, it's breaking. This means our flour is ready now. Let's sieve the flour. Even if the flour looks powdery, don't skip this step as it will remove any lumps and will also make our cake fluffy and softer instead of a sticky one. Now add sugar as per your taste to the sieved flour. Here I have added 2 teaspoons. If you want to make it for diabetic people, you can even add sugar free. Now fill the cups kept aside with this flour. Don't press the flour, just fill it. Otherwise, our cakes will not be fluffy. In the second cup, I will fill the flour till 3/4. Then I will put little jaggery. You can even put desiccated coconut and then cover it again with the flour. It's time to steam now. For steaming, I will be using a pressure cooker. Steaming can be done in a pan or in a kettle as well. But the easiest and quickest way is to use a pressure cooker. I have kept little water for boiling and will cover it with the lid. The lid has to be used without the weight. Once you see vapor coming out of the nozzle, place one of the cup on it and let it steam for about a minute to 2. Here you can see as it is getting steamed, it is leaving the sides of the cup. Also you can see vapors out of the cup. This means that our cake has been cooked. Carefully take it out. It hardly took around 1 minute for it to get steamed. Similarly, place the second cup and let it steam. The rice cakes have been well steamed. Now it's time to take them out of the cups. The cakes won't come out immediately after being steamed. Let them cool for a few seconds and then they will come out easily. You can see how soft and fluffy the rice cake is. Let's do the plating for offering to the Lord. Our steamed rice cake prasadam is ready. Enjoy it with a warm cup of milk and share your experiences with me. Hare Krishna.